So I'm actually sitting down, which is hard to do, to get down, and no idea how I'm going to get up. But I wanted to see from this view what Pillsbury Crossing looks like. I've got my little friends here. Where are they? Here's a different view of Pillsbury Crossing. And here we are with my new little friends, Hans and Helga, and they're enjoying their first view of looking at Pillsbury Crossing. So enjoy as they go on their various adventures of the Flint Hills, which is an idea I didn't have until just this moment. So here they are. Alright, here's just a little bit of Pillsbury Crossing, other view from above. There is a waterfall. You can hear it, maybe see it a little bit. I'm not going to get closer. Here we have Hans Squirrel looking at the waterfall for his first time. His little wifey Helga is not interested. She's afraid of heights. So anyway, that's his little adventure, seeing that for the first time. Okay, here we have the mama cow. The calf is like right over the little ridge that I can't see. Oh, you don't see it, do you?
I don't see it. I could back up.
No, that's okay.
I think she's going
Because the mama's going over. Well, there's a cow somewhere. I can't see mama. Anyway, here's Hans again. He's like, oh, cows. We have those in Germany. These are American cows though, Hans. Let's go see if we can find the baby. It's probably where mama went. I think the baby was over here somewhere. Is it a baby though? Let's just follow the... Forgot my inhaler. It's kind of crazy when you have asthma to forget those other things, but